What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Focus on me. Hello. So today's video, yes, I look absolutely horrible. I sound terrible. I'm super sick. I have been so sick for the past couple days, and it finally is my weekend off from work, and I just did not want to ruin my weekend with being sick, so I'm just doped up on some medicine right now, and I got a lot of sleep in, so I'm hoping to feel a little bit better, but I still wanted to get some stuff done because we are going to be moving soon. We got our offer accepted on a house, yay! So we are going to be moving, and I just really wanted to, still clean and get some stuff done. I wanted to paint this little thing that I have to take to the next house with us, so I'm just trying to keep up with life and with still being sick. You know, the NyQuil, the Tylenol, all of it. So I am just trying to get past it, and I just didn't really want to talk during this video. I just thought I'd do this quick little intro to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave, and check out any of my other videos that I have where I'm not like sick and look terrible. I do a lot of makeup and health and other things as well, so make sure to go ahead and check it out. And that is pretty much all I wanted to cover in the beginning of this video. So go ahead and stay tuned if you guys are interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Go ahead and start off on this. I am going to go ahead and clean it. I always like to get any type of dust or dirt or dog hair or anything that's on here. So I always just take like some type of cleaner. I always use Myers. You can get this from Grove Collaborative. Otherwise, they also sell it at Hy-Vee and I believe Target as well. But after that, I did go ahead and sand it a little bit. I wanted it to have a little bit of a grit or like porousness, I guess you can call it, because I wanted the paint to have something to grab onto since this was already painted or like finished before, since I had bought this from a store previously. So I just slightly sanded it to get that extra coating off so it has something to kind of bond to. The paint I'm going to be using today is a chalk paint. It is from Rust-Oleum and it's in the color white. I actually picked this up from Amazon as well as the brushes that I'm using in today's video. Keep in mind it's very streaky. You're going to need multiple coats. It's very known to be more rustic looking and not such a perfect solid white. So just keep that in mind if you're wanting to use this paint. I did have to go back and do a few coats. I believe I did 2 to 3 coats. And I just really soaked it in paint. It took a lot of paint to cover, so it did take, I want to say like 1/4 of the can, so it didn't take a lot of paint, but it still soaks up a lot of paint. So this is what it looked like afterwards. After I did two to 3 coats, I took just a little sand block and just kind of roughed up the edges. And as you guys can see in some of the close-ups here soon, it does make a huge difference when you sand the edges. It just makes it look not so perfect, just more rustic and just kind of forgiving, and just makes it look like it has been used and not so flat. It almost gives it more of a dimension and just gives it more that completed look, and I absolutely love it. After going with the sand block and getting it to where I wanted, adding dimension where I wanted, I went ahead with a top coat. It's also from Rust-Oleum and it's a chalk paint and it's in the color matte clear. Everywhere I painted, this also went on top to give it a protective coating. So if you wanted to wipe this down with cleaner and clean the wood, or if you wanted to set a cup with a drink or whatever, you guys can do that also. But that's pretty much it. That's all I did for this. I just thought it turned out really cute, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys!